This tutorial will give you an overview of how to edit the textures of 3D models in Photoshop and how to apply layer style effects to 3D models in Photoshop as well. So as you can see, I have one texture that is applied to this 3D model. If there were more textures, they would also appear in a list right below the 3D layer. So I'm going to go ahead and open this texture. And the first thing I'm going to do is just change the actual pixels of this texture. The second thing I'm going to do is apply a label as an additional layer within the texture child document that's applied to the model. So here I'm going to select all and just fill with a color. I'll pick red. And when I press save, my changes will automatically update on the model. So when I go in and rotate the 3D model, you can see that red has been applied all the way around where there was just that gray metal color before. So this is kind of cool, but what's really cool is the ability to actually apply external content as well. So whether it's an Illustrator document or an image or whatever it might be. So I'm going to pop over to Bridge quickly and grab a label and copy that and just paste it in this document as well. So when I press save, as you can see, the texture itself updates on the model as well. And I can go back into the object tool and rotate my 3D object around until the label is showing in the right place. And I have my model where I want it in my composite. So those are just some easy ways to edit the textures of 3D models in Photoshop. Lastly, adding layer styles is just as easy for 3D layers as it is in Photoshop itself. So let's say I wanted to add a drop shadow to this. I can change the angle, increase the distance, just as you would with a Photoshop layer, and it will be applied to the model as well.